When it comes to ensuring the safety and quality of a building project, hiring a professional building surveyor is essential. In Gurgaon Sector 29, there is a reputable company called Scon Design that offers expert building surveyor services. With their extensive knowledge and experience in the field, they can assess the condition of a building, identify any potential issues or defects, and provide recommendations for improvement. As a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29, Scon Design has built a strong reputation for their attention to detail and commitment to delivering accurate and reliable survey reports. The role of a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29 is crucial in ensuring that construction projects comply with local regulations and industry standards. They are responsible for conducting thorough inspections and assessments of buildings at different stages of the construction process. This includes checking the structural integrity, fire safety measures, electrical installations, plumbing systems, and overall compliance with building codes. By hiring a professional building surveyor like Scon Design in Gurgaon Sector 29, developers can have peace of mind knowing that their project is being thoroughly examined by experts in the field. Scon Design, as a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29, takes pride in their ability to provide comprehensive and accurate reports. Their team of highly skilled professionals conducts detailed site inspections, gathers relevant data, and conducts thorough analysis to ensure that their clients receive a comprehensive understanding of the condition of their building. By using the latest technology and industry best practices, Scon Design is able to deliver precise measurements, detailed drawings, and comprehensive reports that can be used for decision-making purposes. Hiring a qualified building surveyor is crucial for ensuring the safety and caliber of a construction project. Scon Design, a recognized business, provides professional building surveyor services in Gurgaon Sector 29. They are able to evaluate a building's state, spot any possible problems or flaws, and offer suggestions for repair because to their significant knowledge and experience in the sector. Scon Design has established a solid reputation as a building surveyor in Gurgaon Sector 29 for their attention to detail and dedication to providing accurate and dependable survey reports. A building surveyor in Sector 29 of Gurgaon plays a critical role in making sure that building projects adhere to regional laws and professional standards. They are in charge of performing in-depth reviews and inspections of structures at various phases of construction. This involves examining the structural soundness, fire safety precautions, electrical and plumbing systems, and overall adherence to building rules. Developers can have peace of mind knowing that their project is being carefully inspected by specialists in the field by engaging a professional building surveyor like Scon Design in Gurgaon Sector 29. Building surveyor Scon Design, based in Gurgaon Sector 29, takes pride in their capacity to produce thorough and precise reports. In order to give their clients a clear picture of the status of their building, their team of highly qualified professionals conducts thorough site inspections, collects pertinent data,